Visit the EasyDiffusion product page on AWS Marketplace. Click the Continue to Subscribe button and review the terms of use. Click Accept Terms to subscribe to EasyDiffusion. Click on Continue to Configuration. Choose your preferred region for deployment. Select the desired instance type and configure any additional settings as needed. Click Continue to launch and review the launch details. Select Launch from Website in Choose Action dropdown and provide the necessary settings mentioned. EC2 instance type, select the desired instance. VPC settings, select the default VPC, the shortest one. Subnet settings, select the desired subnet. To set security group settings, click Create New based on Seller Settings button. It will show the Create New based on Seller Settings. Provide a security group name and description, and leave the IP to anywhere as shown in the image above, and then click Save. Select your key pair. After setting up the above settings, click Launch. Alert will be appeared and then click Ect to Console. Select the instance from Instances table and copy the public IPv4 address in Details tab. Paste the copied IP address in a new browser tab and you will see the 502 bad gateway error. Wait around 10 minutes and refresh the page. You can see the EasyDiffusion dashboard. Enter the prompt to generate image. Click Make Image button. Wait a moment while image is generated. Now you can optimize image settings as you wish. All set. Enjoy EasyDiffusion.